Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way. Update iOS and install YouTube. Sign in with your Google account so subscriptions and history sync across devices. Make sure you allow notifications and camera/mic permissions now, otherwise upload and live features will be blocked later. Once done, open the app and tap the library and home tabs to verify your account. This immediate setup prevents interruptions and keeps recommendations relevant to you as you continue. You now focus on finding and shaping content. Use the search bar with exact keywords, filters, and voice input to narrow results quickly. When you see channels you like, subscribe and enable the bell to receive uploads. This improves your home feed. Add videos to watch later or playlists for organized viewing, and long press recommendations to mark not interested. This teaches YouTube what to show or hide. Make sure to explore and Shorts for trending formats and varied content. You finish by creating and sharing content. Tap the Create Plus button, choose Record or Upload, then trim, add music, title, description, tags, and set visibility before publishing. Use a clear thumbnail and chapters to help viewers find key moments. Captions boost reach. Once uploaded, monitor analytics in Studio for performance. If something goes wrong, like upload errors or missing permissions, check your Wi-Fi, free storage, app permissions, and restart the YouTube app. A quick retry solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.